Ever wondered why your groceries, gas, and rent keeps getting more expensive? Is it because of supply chain issues or too much demand? Understanding cost push and demand pull inflation can help you see what's really going on. Firstly, let's understand what is inflation. Inflation is the rate at which prices of goods and services rise, reducing purchasing power. But inflation doesn't just happen randomly. It's driven by different forces. Now let's understand about cost push inflation. Cost push inflation happens when production costs go up, forcing businesses to raise prices. This could be due to higher wages, expensive raw materials, supply chain disruptions, increased taxes, or fuel costs. Here is a classic example: the 1970s oil crisis. OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, raised oil prices, making everything from transportation to manufacturing more expensive. Since supply couldn't keep up, prices increased. Now let's move to demand pull inflation. On the flip side, demand pull inflation happens when demand outpaces supply. Think of it as too much money chasing too few goods. This can be caused by a booming economy, increased government spendings, lower taxes leaving people with more to spend, a weaker currency making exports cheaper and import pricier. As demand rises, businesses struggle to keep up, pushing price higher. So, how do government control inflation? To fight cost-push inflation, government try to boost supply, cutting business taxes, improving supply chains, or lowering import costs. To tackle demand pull inflation, central bank use tightening policies like raising interest rate, which makes borrowing more expensive, cutting government spendings, increase taxes to reduce disposable income. What's happening now? After the pandemic, we experienced both type of inflation. Cost push inflation happened because supply chain were disrupted and wages increased. Demand pull inflation happened because government gave people extra money to help them during tough times, which increased spendings and pushed prices up. Which one is worse? Both makes things expensive, but demand pull inflation is easier to control with policies. Cost push inflation is harder to fix, especially when caused by global issues like rising oil prices or pandemics. Inflation affects everyone, but knowing what causes it helps us understand the economy better. Next time prices go up, think about it. Is it cost push or demand pull? If you found the content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick economic insights.